Hello guys, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So this is for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Take only what resonates. Hindi ito personal reading. Kung gusto mo magpa-personal reading, kay Jing Tarot Trader na lang. Siya pwedeng magbigay ng personal reading sa'yo. Again, this is for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay? And ang gagawin nating reading for today is magko-concentrate tayo sa person na kakonect mo. Ano yung iniisip niya, emotions niya para sa'yo, and ano yung gusto niyang mangyari, and ano yung gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo. Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of Earth sign, please, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Sana mag-comment ka sa baba, kahit po heart lang, smileys, malaking bagay yun sa akin. Simulan natin ang reading mo, Earth sign. For the sign of Earth sign, please, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. I will get at least 2 cards. This is your person. You do have your drama queen. Access granted. And, yeah. This could be a person na pwedeng, you do have your insatiable. The energy is very cold. Either ikaw ito na nagiging cold dito sa person na ito, or itong person na ito ang nagiging cold sa'yo. Okay? Or maybe even both of you. And nakikita natin dito that dahil dito sa coldness na ipinapakita ng isa or pareho kayo sa connection na ito, there's this energy na parang you want more. You want to know more about this person dahil hindi siya nagiging open eh. And pwedeng ikaw din or ikaw itong hindi nagiging open sa kanya. So siya ito na parang namimisteryosohan siya sa'yo. So parang gusto niyang malaman, kamusta ka na ba or what? Ano na ba nangyayari ganyan? Especially if in the past, there's this energy of thirsty, causing chaos, and access granted. So, if there is this energy of being open in the past, so, lalo na kung in the past, nagiging open ka sa kanya or vice versa. Okay? Especially sa mga kung ano man yung mga problema ninyo sa buhay ninyo. Like, this person is the one na nahihingahan mo ng sama ng loob or nahihingahan mo ng mga problema mo or isipin mo sa buhay or vice versa. Okay? Pwede kasing dahil sa biglang pagiging cold na ito, pwedeng itong person na ito is nagtatanong na siya sa sarili niya, ano na kaya nangyari? Bakit ganun? Bakit ganyan? Diba? So, let me know naman or get the cards dito sa person na ito kung ano nasa isip niya sa'yo. Ano yung mga nasa isip niya sa'yo? Person na kakonect ni Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Person na nasa isip niya, nasa isip ng person na ito. Hindi ka nakaka-relate, huwag mong pilitin. This is not your reading. You do have your love, interlude, and crush. Okay. So, this person is currently nag-iisip siya that you are happy, that you are masaya or in love with the person that you are dealing with right now. Okay? Whether you are in a relationship, or maybe iniisip niya, ay baka masaya na siya sa iba, ay baka may in love na siya sa iba. Ito, sa part na ito, medyo you're dealing with a person who is very overthinker. Okay? Ngayon, dahil feeling niya or maybe alam niya talaga, because maybe yung iba alam nila dahil nakikita nila sa'yo, sa post mo, sa social media mo, that you are in love, that you are okay, you are fine, you're doing good. So, ito yung nagdudulot para sa person na ito na malungkot. You do have your crush. So, itong person na ito, feeling niya hindi mo siya kailangan ngayon. Because you are already happy, hindi ka nag-open up sa kanya. And pag may mga bagay na hindi ka nag-open up sa kanya, feeling niya nasa okay na kalagayan ka. Pag hindi ka nakikipag-communicate sa kanya, feeling niya okay ka ngayon, hindi mo siya kailangan. Because maybe nasanay siya na kaya ka lang makikipag-communicate if you're not okay, if you're not feeling good, if you're in a problematic situation. Ngayon, this person pwedeng nagkakaroon ng pause or pahinga sa connection na ito na nagiging dahilan para dito sa person na ito na parang malungkot. Okay? Pwedeng, isa pa ito sa pwedeng nagiging dahilan kung bakit nagiging cold siya. Na parang, bakit naman ako makikipag-connect sa'yo? Wala naman akong silbi, dahil hindi mo naman kumbaga, feeling niya, wala siyang silbi ngayon, dahil wala kang mga problema eh. Kumbaga, alam niya na rin sa sarili niya na siya yung crying shoulder mo, or siya yung mahingan mo na sama na loob. So, maybe, you are okay. Okay? And ito yung nagiging dahilan para sa person na ito na malungkot. Kasi feeling niya, hindi mo siya kailangan. And, ano yung emotions ng person ito towards you? Ano yung emotion niya patungkol sa spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You have their desire, drastic, realization. Okay. So, this person is feeling a lot of love and passion towards you. This person, nakikita natin siya, gusto kanya, attracted siya sa'yo physically, emotionally. Maybe you are the kind of person na sexy para sa kanya, babae man or lalaki. You look good para sa kanya. You are the person na gusto niyang i-date or gusto niyang maka-sex, you know what I mean? And because there's a lot of love and passion dito sa person na ito, okay? You are actually na-arouse siya sa tuwing nakikita ka niya sa pictures, or maybe your eyes, maybe something in you na parang nakakapagpa-init sa person na ito sexually. Like, this person wants to see you or imagining stuff with you, no? Hindi ko naman sinabi na sexually lang ang pagkagusto ng person na to, because this person, there's a lot of love. And the way I see this is not just sex, but rather love making. Okay? And when I say love making, may love na involved doon. And you do have a realization. So, itong person na to, as you can see, there's a cup in the realization, and it is, for me, it shows as the Ace of Cups sa tarot deck, the traditional tarot deck. So, this looks like the Ace of Cups. So, the Ace of Cups, it means love. It means something na very fulfilling. And you do have your drastic, and the word here is extreme. So, pag sinabi nating extreme, sobra yan. So, pwedeng sobra ang emotions ng person na ito sa'yo. There's sobrang desire or pagkagusto. There's sobrang, I do feel this as also obsession in a way. Kasi, obsess siya, kakaisip sa'yo. And you might not know about this kasi nga, hindi siya communicative, and pwedeng may separation sa inyong dalawa. So, nandun yung sobrang pag-iisip, sobrang emosyon na pagmamahal, at sobrang paghahangad, at sobrang lost na rin, or pagkagusto na ikaw ay makasama in a lovemaking. And you do have your interview. So, this person wants to talk to you. Gusto kanyang makausap. And what will happen in the future for the both of... No, actually, iba nga pala yung aking kukunin na, which is, ano yung gusto niyang mangyari. Nasanay ako doon sa mga usual reading ko kasi sorry about that, pero iba yung gagawin nating reading ngayon. So, ano yung gusto niyang mangyari for earth sign? Anong gusto niyang mangyari, whether sa connection ninyo, etc. You do have your escapade and interview, and of course, this person wants to talk to you. Divine Masculine is here. You do have here the anxiety, negotiator, and at the bottom of the deck, there's this karmic and meeting. Okay, if you are currently dealing with a person, no, I feel like gusto niya ring malaman kung kamusta na ba ang mga kakonect mo, kung sino man itong kakonect mo. Okay? Kung wala, gusto niyang malaman kung meron. This person wants to know kung ano man ang sitwasyon mo ngayon, especially wala kayong connection, okay? Or medyo cold ang connection nyo ngayon. This person really wants to talk, okay? With the anxiety and negotiator, part of your person wants to know if you are okay. If you are okay. Kasi nga sabi ko nga sa'yo, pwedeng nagkaka-idea lang siya about you if you are not okay. If you are feeling a lot of problem, stress, if you are having anxiety, if you are currently in a bad mood, pwedeng ganon. Pwedeng may idea itong person nito regarding what is happening to you. So, pwedeng part of your person gusto niyang magka-problem ka para may lusot para makapag-usap kayo. You know what I mean? And, anong gusto niya sabihin? Anong gusto niya sabihin? You do have your, I feel the same way. So, this person, maaaring kung ikaw ay nasasaktan, or may sinabi ka about something regarding sa ikaw ay nasasaktan, this person is feeling the same way, nasasaktan din siya. Some of you, if you have already told this person about your emotions in the past, sinabi mo mahal mo siya, mahal ka rin niya. This person feels the same way. Okay? And kung may sinabi ka na about your person, kung ikaw ay may kakonek and then binanggit mo sa kanya na nagagalit ako dito sa person ko, ganto ganyan, this person also feels the same way. Nagagalit din siya sa person na yon. Kasi bakit niya nagagawa sa'yo yan? Which is, nakikita kanya as someone na dapat pinoprotektahan, minamahal. You do have your gossip only hurts more. And you do have here, I could be your hero, baby. Like what I've told you, siya yung knight and shining armor mo, or siya yung shoulder to cry on. Andito ako. Parang ganon. Kung kailangan mo ng kausap, kung may problema ka, nandito ako. This person wants you to talk to him or to her. Kung kailangan mo ng makakausap, nandito siya. And you do have your I am coming, trust. So, if you would tell this person na puntahan mo ako or kailangan kita ganito ganyan, dadating siya. Okay? Maybe not agad-agad, but gagawa siya ng paraan. And you do have here, now is not the time, and you do have here, I'm a very jealous person. And for me, this is like, ang nasa isip ng person mo is sa ngayon kasi hindi pa pwede or wala pang rason for me na gawin itong pagharap sa'yo or pakikipag-usap sa'yo. And you do have here, I'm a very jealous person, especially if there's if there are other people involved sa connection. Okay? Yeah. And I see this person as a person na minamanifest niya yung connection sa inyo. But if there's a third party na involved dito, itong person na ito, gusto niyang malaman or gusto niyang magkaroon ng patunay na ang inyong connection ay you do have your plug, or yung inyong connection ay pwede nang ituloy in the future. Kasi sa ngayon, nakikita niya ito as bawal. So, para yun doon sa may mga third party. If there's no third party na involved, this person is, obsessing with you. Thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.